So here we are, it's a little bit later on, like 3 minutes, and I've turned that inside around, and let's just look at the detail on this. The logo there for Dollie, it's imprinted, embossed, you got like really nice silver finish. What you can't appreciate on this video is how good the quality of the packaging is. And as you know, when you give jewelry to somebody, then the gift box, it really helps set the excitement level up. So I can assure you, anybody that you give this Dollie jewelry to, when they open it up and they just feel how silky and soft this is, and the detailing on that logo there, they're going to know this is real nice silver that Karen and Katie produced for us back in Cleethorpes, England. So once we actually turn it around and we put the jewelry inside, again, I'm filming this on my iPhone, it's all on the fly, but you can see there this nice silver jewelry and the nice reflection of my iPhone there. Then it really does sparkle, and this is the Stay Wild ring. And as rings go, we had a friend that actually purchased one of these, and very soon after purchased them for a whole family. So they're going to be really excited when they receive these, because everybody that's seen these has been really impressed and placed more orders, which we're really happy that they're happy. Here we go. Ribena Rich in his masculine hands, too big to wear the rings because I've got big man hands. But here we have the Bumblebee, again in sterling silver. And if the Viking Destroyer was not at preschool right now, she should be having her eyes on this. Let's move on and I'll show you one of the bracelets. Okay friends, as this unboxing continues with my dodgy winter throat here, severe lack of Ribena this morning, but we're making the best of this. So again, we're doing this unboxing. I just want to share with you the kind of experience that the people you gift this to will have when they receive this. So the feel of this, again, have a little feel. You can't, it's on film, I get that. But it really is a nice feeling stock that's used to manufacture these gift boxes. And everything but the rings comes in these boxes that are tied with a bow by my good self. Now let's try and undo this one-handed so you can see the experience. Imagine your wife, your girlfriend, your mistress that your wife or your girlfriend doesn't even know about receives this. There's the bow, there's the excitement. There's my Apple keyboard. Anyway, there's the bow, there's the excitement. Get that. It all adds to the tactile experience and the excitement when they receive this. We get in there the scene that I previously showed you. Ross Castle, the big wheel, the train station, the pier, Papa's Fish and Chips. I don't even know what we call this building. This building here. But there's the Agra, just by this, just here. Great Indian restaurant, good for curry. We get the card. Dollie, the stylised Union Jack. Sorry guys, but that is the greatest flag in the world. We have the 925 sterling silver jewellery, handmade in Britain, handmade in Lincolnshire, handmade in Cleethorpes. Inside today we have the Annabelle open heart, as I said previously, This is proving to be one of our best sellers. I should show you guys some of the other stuff some point, so we sell more than the open heart. Anyway, as we undo the bow there, we have, oh, can we pick that up on the camera? Maybe just, you can maybe just see the detail of Dollie, the brand, glistening there. And then when we flip it over, I'm having trouble picking it up on the camera. But it's stamped 925 just to help with the quality. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had your wife getting dressed, girlfriend getting dressed, mother, whatever. You know, we love them all. Even the mother-in-laws, we can love the mother-in-laws as well. Trust me, you buy your mother-in-law this kind of stuff, she's going to think you're special. She'll look after you. Marty, if you're watching this, maybe, we'll see. Okay, so what I was getting to was, I know my wife Mandy, she's got some other jewellery and she gets dressed and then there's a whole panic about trying to get it on her wrist, trying to secure it kind of on her wrist. And it's hassle. One of the beautiful things about this dolly is it's super stretchy. Like that magic, it's on. My gosh, don't I look good with this on? So let me just position that there. Now we embrace hair. It's an individual choice, but there we go. How beautiful is that? And how good will your life be when she's happy as well? So get yourself on over to tangerine-panda.com. Pick some jewellery up for those that you love. You can love yourself and buy yourself jewellery. I'm good with that as well. And then in return, we'll say thank you. If you'd like any stories on any of these landmarks that I shouldn't share on this video, hit me up. I'll give you all the good details. And we'll also feed the homeless with each purchase. Have a great day. Bye-bye.